In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a brand in WooCommerce products. As online store owners, organizing products in a way that makes them easy to navigate for customers is key, and adding brand information can really enhance this experience. By associating your products with specific brands, you not only improve the searchability within your store, but you also provide a richer browsing experience for your potential buyers. So let's dive in and understand how you can achieve this in WooCommerce. The first step is to navigate to your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're logged into your WordPress site, you'll find yourself on this dashboard, which is your primary area to manage setting changes. From here, you need to direct your attention to WooCommerce, which should be on the left-hand sidebar. Within this WooCommerce dropdown, you'll see Products. Hover over this or click on it, and then you'll find the option labeled Brands. Click on Brands, and you'll land on the page where you can begin adding brand details. Next up is adding a new brand to your WooCommerce store. This process is relatively straightforward. On the Brands page, you'll find a form where you can fill in the necessary information for your new brand. You'll need to start with the name of the brand you're adding. Make sure it's a clear, easily recognizable name that your customers will associate with certain qualities or products. You'll also want to include a description. The description is there to give a little more detail about this brand. Think of it as a short paragraph that encapsulates what makes this brand unique or noteworthy. Beside this, you'll have the option to upload a logo or a thumbnail associated with the brand. Visuals go a long way in helping brands stick in the minds of customers, so this is an excellent opportunity to utilize any well-designed brand graphics. If you have a collection of brands that group nicely together, you can even nest them in a hierarchical format. Think of it like adding parent and child relationships between brands, which can be quite handy for a complex product lineup. After setting up your new brand, it's time to assign this brand to your existing products. Go back to the Products section in your WordPress admin dashboard. Look for the Edit Product option and choose the product you wish to add a brand to. Once you're on the Products Edit page, you'll notice a Brands box located in the sidebar, usually on the right-hand side. This box is where you can assign your product to one or more of the brands you've just created. Simply select the brand that best matches the product, making sure your choices enhance the product's appeal and accuracy. And lastly, don't forget to save or publish the product. This may seem simple, but it's a step you definitely don't want to miss, as it's the final point where all your adjustments will take effect on the live store. With this final action, your product now features the added brand, instantly making your store feel more organized and easy for customers to navigate. I hope you found this walkthrough informative and helpful for your WooCommerce store management. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your store fresh and engaging.